everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. This is the Diva Den and my name is Kelly, where I like to share weekly videos related to things around the home. I don't know about you, but spring fever is hitting me big time. I can't wait for spring and this winter to be over. I'm done with winter, done. So in that sense, that usually means I like to start looking at some DIY projects to do around the house and, start to freshen up and get things ready for spring. So I have a really good one for you today. Today, I'm going to share how to make your own Lazy Susan. And I have two different designs, but they're both equally as cute, so I hope you enjoy them. Lazy Susans are great. You can use them anywhere. If you're entertaining, you can put them in the middle of your table and put your condiments on it and let everybody, have an equal access to them. Or you can use them in your refrigerator. Again, you can put your yogurts, you can put condiments, anything on it that you want. Or in your spice cupboard. You can use it in there and put all your spices on and get access to them quite easily. I love them. I think they're really great, but sometimes in the stores they can be a little expensive. So I've got you covered on this one. So I have put together two variations of the same thing, of the Lazy Susan, just two different designs. One is a little more elegant, I guess, if you will, and it's using marble contact paper. I love that stuff. And the other one is a little bit more casual, but it can be fun. You can use it anytime throughout the year. Wait till you see what I have in store for you today. Now, if you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up for a like and maybe share it with others. And as always, I hope you hit that red button and subscribe. I'd love to have you join me each week as I produce these videos. It's all for you. And in the comments and suggestions below, I'd love to hear any DIY projects you're planning on for spring. Love to know what you guys are working on. So leave those in the comments below. So let's get to it. So here's the materials you're going to need for this project. Your wood base, which I got at the dollar store, my marble contact paper, glue, paint of your choice, the Lazy Susan turntables, and any embellishments that you like, that you think you might want to use. First things first is I took the white chalk paint and I painted the edges of one of the boards just to give it a more finished look before I apply my contact paper. So once that was dry, I just took my marble contact paper, love this stuff, flipped it over and traced my board and then removed the backing and simply attached the contact paper to that, to the plain side, and that was it. It was so simple, but I felt it looked a little bland, so I decided to spruce up the edges by using some washi tape, some gold washi tape on the edge. Gold and marble are a hot trend right now, so I thought that was looking really. Now for the second board, I took some black chalkboard paint and I simply gave it 2 quick coats. It says to give 2 coats of paint. So I let the first one dry and then I kind of rotated the board and gave it another coat of paint, and I set that aside to let that dry completely. Next up, I took this really pretty rope embellishment that I found at Michael's, and I had a 50% off coupon, so it was really great. And I took my hot glue and I simply went around the board just like I did with the washi tape, and I hot glued the rope on, and that was it. It was so simple. Both of these were so quick and easy to do. It took me no time at all. So once the rope was all the way around, 2 layers, making sure to push up the seams, I took both boards down to my husband's workshop, so excuse the lighting down here, it's really bad, and I took the turntable base and centered them on both of the backs of the boards and marked them off with a pencil where I wanted to drill the holes. Then I took my husband's electric drill and drilled down a little bit just to make it easier to screw the screws into the back. Then I took it back upstairs where I could see a little better and screwed on the Lazy Susan onto the back. And that was it. That's how easy it was. So there you have it, 2 incredibly easy ways to make your own Lazy Susan. So we have this one, the chalkboard paint one with the rope detail on the side. I think that's so cute. It gives it a little bit of a rustic feel, and I think it'll be fun at any of the holiday seasons. You can simply write on there anything you want. Merry Christmas, Happy Easter. You can have the kids draw on it, little pictures. I think that's a lot of fun. And then the other one, for a little bit more of an elegant look, is the contact marble paper one with the gold washi tape. Now you could paint that easily enough, but it was just my last minute decision to put on the gold to give it a little bit more pizzazz. But that's using the gold, marble contact paper. I'm really liking it. I'm really happy with both of these. It gives 2 different looks. So I think the chalkboard paint one I'm going to put on my dining room table, because I have some more DIYs coming up for spring for you that I hope you'll come back and check out. And I think that's going to look really nice on the table with it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick DIY on how to make these Lazy Susans. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed doing that, and I can't wait to share more of the spring home decor things I have in store. So if you like this video, you'll give it a thumbs up and maybe even share it, and hit that red button below before you go and subscribe. I'd love to have you join the channel and come back and check out each week, see what we've got going on. Lots of good things coming up. So until next time, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.